Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another video for you. Today we are going to inspect my cabin air filter on this Chrysler Town and Country. And by the way guys, I just want to say thank you again for the support. I can see my channel is growing. It is such a great pleasure for me doing all these videos. And by you supporting me, that gives me the more enthusiasm to keep doing it. So let's get into the video here. Today we're going to change or inspect this cabin air filter, which is behind this glove compartment door here. So in order to get to it here, I would have to open this door, and then I would compress these lips right here, this right here. And then there is a support cord right here. In order to get this cord here, you would have to use a screwdriver and just bring it back. Just like that. And the door can fall all the way down. Here is the cord. It has a little slat here, and the slat goes into this little hole right here, and then it locks in it and keeps the door up. So that's the purpose for this cord. Now the cabin air filter is up in here, right behind this. It's right behind this door, isn't it? Right behind this door. In order to get this door here open, there are two lips, one right here, and there's another one right here. And just compress these two lips inwards. And then you have access to your cabin air filter. And here's the cabin air filter right here. Just slide it out. And the important stuff about this cabin air filter, you must pay attention on the arrows. You can see these arrows pointing down. Therefore, the incoming air from the outside is sucking by the your fan, and it filters through this cabin air filter here, and then circulates and comes to your vent, and that's how you breathe your fan air. So looking over the period of years, this is how it looks. Most people are not aware that there's something called cabin air filter. There are not too many people replace these things here. The manufacturer recommended 15 to 30,000 miles from the initial purchase, and most people never did. But this is what your cabin air filters looks like when you drive it over the period of years. No change. See the leaves from the outside here and dust. And how the system works here, I can go through a little demonstration how it works. Here's the fan switch right here. So when you turn the fan on here, this is the fan control. It controls the speed. And your fan is up in here. Your fan is up in here. And this box right here, this is the box where the fan is. So what happens is when you turn your fan switch on and turn your fan control, the fan turns fast as you want it, your air to supply your inside your cabin. And what happens is the fan sucks the outside air and it filters through the filter here, and then it comes inside and enter through your ducts and through your vents right here. So the system works. Let me show you outside here. So when you turn your fan on, this is the outside air. This is also another guard, just like filter heavy stuff that will not get inside to clog your filter up. So this is where the intake air comes from, the outside. You can see where it sits underneath your hood here. So when it rains, it does not affect because there's a guard right here. So water does not affect your filter when it rains and your vehicle is traveling 60, 80 miles an hour. It's protected by this guard here. But anyway, this is where the incoming air sucks from right here. So it sucks from here. When you close the hood, sucks over here, outside air. So all the contaminating air enters inside your vehicle, then it filters through here. Your contaminating air that enters through there enters through your filter, and you can see the arrows that the outside air enters through here and filters here. So now you get filters air through your vents. So that's how the system works. So if this thing here clogs up, what usually happens is it puts extra pressure, makes your fan works harder. It's just like trying to breathe through a 1.5 of your nose. You see, the diaphragm creates a lot more pressure, and that's what happens when your cabin air filter clogs up. So that's why they recommend, the dealership recommended 15 to 30,000 miles from initial purchase your vehicle. So it's very important to check your stuff, check your cabin air filters. Now, if you want to know where it is on your vehicles, check your owner's manuals, or you can call the dealer, or you can ask your local auto parts. They should actually demonstrate and tell you where it is, where to find it. So anyway, so this is the new one here. You can see, here is your arrow. So the air would come in from the outside, the contaminating air would come from the outside and filters through here, and then you will get clean air that travels through your vents, and that's how you breathe. So this one here will be replaced. So I'll install this new cabin air filter back up in here. Okay, this is my new air filter, cabin air filter. And make sure that the arrow pointed downward while installing it, and it just easily slides up inside this compartment here. And the air comes from outside and sucks downward. And that's how you install your cabin air filter. And then I can go ahead and reinstall my door. That's it. That's how you replaced your cabin air filter. And now you can go ahead and reconnect your support door here. Just go ahead, see this little lip right here. Just go ahead and line it up with this hole right here. And that's it. And compress these two lips right here. And that's how you replace your cabin air filter. Thanks again, guys, for supporting this channel. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.